Okay, I'm back again on my channel, on my podcast, still on the series on things happening in Bulawayo. This one particular thing that is unfolding or happening in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town, whereby children, these boys or girls from Ndebele tribe or Tswana tribe or Venda tribe or Sotho tribe or Tonga tribe or Ndebele tribe or Nambia tribe, these boys and girls, they are seen leaving their homes from different residential areas around Bulawayo Metropolitan Province, and they come and stay on the streets. They leave their homes, their family households, homesteads, even from the Bulawayo suburbs, Bulawayo suburban areas, and come to stay on the streets, live on the streets, work on the streets. So they want a street life, a street lifestyle. So this is the issue of the new problem, new challenge, a new social trend emerging in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town. And in my personal capacity as a podcaster, as a great podcaster, great researcher, I'm sending a deeper call, a potent call to the government of Zimbabwe. Yes, to the president, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, and his deputy, Dr. Constantine Chiwenga, and the government and the cabinet to intervene on this matter, of course, via the Ministry of Social Welfare and Social Development. Social welfare and social development to look into this matter, to investigate, research, study this matter. What's happening in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town? These are the important part of our country, Zimbabwe. These are the important element of this great nation, Zimbabwe. So this is the reason why I'm calling for the government of Zimbabwe, to the president, deputy president, and another deputy president, plus the whole government, of course, via the Ministry of Social Welfare and Social Development, to look into this matter. Why are children leaving their homes, leaving their households, leaving their homesteads, and come to stay on the streets? What are the pushing factors? What are the root causes? What are the motivating factors on this issue? Why are families no longer affording to cater for their kids, to look after their kids? What are the social economic factors around Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town? What is the economy of Bulawayo doing? What's happening when it comes to the economy of Bulawayo, when it comes to the social economic factors around Bulawayo? What's happening? So the government of Zimbabwe, they have to look on this matter to resolve this issue, to stop the kids from coming from their homes and they come on the street, to stop them, to reduce this issue, or to mitigate any risk that is associated with this issue, whereby kids are leaving their homes, they run away, or they are forced onto the streets, or they flee their homesteads, either in residential areas or in the suburbs, suburban areas, and come to stay on the streets, to come to live on the streets. The government, as servants of the Zimbabwean people, the government as servants of Zimbabwean citizens, Zimbabwean children, they have to come, or they have to go to Bulawayo and solve this issue and resolve this matter once and for all. We don't want to see street children, we don't want to see street kids, we don't want to see street boys or street girls disguised as I'm just coming to work, or I'm just coming to live on the street, I'm just coming to chill. I just like the vibe on the street. It has to stop. It has to be reduced. It has to be mitigated to the lowest level, to the little level. Hence, I'm calling in my personal capacity as a great podcaster for the government of Zimbabwe, this great country, nation, to intervene on this matter. Of course, to intervene with emergency interventions, with potent, immediate, and well coordinated approaches, potent, well coordinated responses, holistic approaches to resolve this issue, to resolve this matter. This is my personal point, this is my personal stand. Of course, like I said in my past videos on this series, I'm not happy, I'm not impressed about this issue. To see Ndebele boys, Ndebele girls, the future of the Ndebele tribe, the future of Ndebele people, even the future of Zimbabweans to be living this street life, this street lifestyle at that early age, at that young age, at that tender age is not good news. It does not paint a good picture to the country of Zimbabwe, to the nation of Zimbabwe. So the government of Zimbabwe has to come and intervene to rescue children, to rehabilitate children. Of course, in their personal capacity, they can do something on this matter, on this wise. Again, they can be also supported or helped by private sector players, private sector role players, even non-governmental organizations, voluntary associations, social worker organizations, international NGOs. They can come and play a part, play a role on this matter. As long as boys and girls in Bulawayo City, they stop this behavior, they stop this attitude of coming on the streets to live a street life, to live a street lifestyle. It's not good, it's not proper, it's not okay, it's not right, it's not healthy to them as human beings, as people. So this is my personal stand. Anyone who's listening to this video, what I comments on what I've said, is it important for the government of Zimbabwe to intervene on this matter? Is it important? Is it okay? Is it right for the government to intervene on this issue? To stop boys and girls to come and play on the streets, to stop them from coming to reside on the streets or work on the streets or live on the streets? Is it important for the government to intervene, for the government to come and solve this issue? Is it important, or maybe it's not important at all? Maybe it's not okay at all. Or maybe there are organizations, there are role players already in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town that can do this thing without the need to involve the government. Is it like that, or the government has to come? There's no choice, there's no option. The government has to come and research on this social trend happening in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town. Stop the kids, stop the boys, stop the children to come onto the streets by whatever measures, by whatever forces, by whatever strategies, by whatever mechanisms, or by whatever channels that they can use, that the government can use. Because it's not a good picture to see the future of Zimbabwe, the future of Ndebele tribe, the future of Ndebele people coming and kill themselves on the streets, coming and damage their lives and ruin their lives on the streets, all in the name of, I like the vibe in the streets, I want to be independent, I want to be free, I like freedom, I like independence, so hence I'm going to stay on the streets, hence I'm going to live on the street, hence I'm going to domicile myself on the street. So all these disguises are not good, and they point these children to a bad life, to ruin themselves, to damage themselves. Yes, that life is not healthy, it's not good, it's not okay, it's not fine, it's not proper. So the government has to look into this matter about the rise of street children in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town. Governor of Zimbabwe has to look into this matter. I don't know how many times I've repeated this statement. Of course, I can repeat it again and again and again and again because it's very important. It's very, very significant, especially at this point in time. Yes, I'm done talking. Any comments, channel them on the comment box, comment section. I'll come and see them out. Let's talk further from there. I'm done talking. Peace out.